Hey, we're back in Pie. So, me and Minitron here, we're having a good old bash at the trail that I did with John about 3 weeks ago, something like that. But in that time, all the bamboo has decided to shed its leaves, and I can no longer see where any of the rain ruts are. So, we've been up through some gnarly stuff already. I wasn't going to film it because, although it was gnarly, I've filmed it before, but I haven't filmed it completely covered in leaves. And we're skating around all over on them and not able to see where we're not supposed to go. So let's go. Grab your foot. We had an excellent little day out in a river yesterday. Mostly getting really wet. And my camera was flat. I suppose I could go back there on the way back through really and get wet again just to amuse you lot. So I did end up ass over tit in the water quite a few times. What on earth is the trail? I can't see. Oh, you see that rock there? Oh, and there's a big drop off. Boom! I got to avoid massive rear suspension action because tires trying to chew my exhaust off when there's two of us aboard. Whoa, you just skating, the steering is just skating. I'm not going to get through there, am I? Like a winter wonderland, but with bamboo. I'll put that tree there. I didn't really want to fall in that one, but here we go. just going to dump me back in. Right. Ooh, feet down. Ooh. Run out of places. Put me. Oh, look, my boots caught on that tree. We don't want to fall down there, do we? Really? Look at it. Oh, I'm sliding. Hop off, love. Go take yourself up there to that tree, because we're going to slide on this, because this is just dust. I'll come down in this rut here. Right. We're going to go up here and have a little breather. We'll see you in section 2.